Hi everyone. Okay, I want to hopefully make this video brief. Not sure if I can do that, but I'll try. I wanted to show you first of all how to get into the library system from your computer. So right here, I am on just the main lonestar.edu webpage. Okay, this is the home page, I mean. So you can click on libraries and scroll down. And here are all the links that you would need, the library catalog, the research databases, things like that. So that's how you get in from the home page. And I haven't logged into anything. Now, if you are in our class on D2L, you can get to it by clicking support. And then over here is LSC libraries. And if you know of a different way to get into the library system, that's great. These are the two that I know. If you know of some others, then great, use them. So again, here we are, and it says to start your research. So it says either search the catalog or find articles. I wanted to say that the catalog, the library catalog, is for physical books and media. So if you're wanting to find a book that you hold in your hand and you turn the pages, then you would want to use the library catalog. Um, but I want to focus this video mainly on the research databases. So let's click research databases. And you can find articles in multiple different ways. You can use, let's say you're writing about, well, I think a couple of you are writing about vaccinations. So that would probably be under science and technology or under health and medicine. So you could click on these links and it would take you to these are the databases that are most popular for medical type topics. So that's what you can do with that. I'm going to go back and whoops, sorry, didn't mean to go back that far. Okay, and again, let's say you're writing something that has to do with psychology, a psychological type topic. You could click social sciences, and you could go to the psychology and behavioral sciences collection, and then all you need to do to get in, I also wanted to show you this. If you do not have a student ID, if you don't have a barcode, all you need to do is click this link, LSC Online Users Log In here, and you will need to put in your username and password that you use for your My Lone Star. Very easy to get in if you don't have a student ID, so don't worry about that. Okay, and so then here, this is taking you to Academic Search Complete database. But I want to also show you how I get into the databases. Let me go back. I like to go to all databases by title, and they are alphabetical. And if I scroll down, here's Academic Search Complete, and I click on that, and I click on this. And if I hadn't been in the system already, it would have asked me again for my username and my password. But I have already been in the system, so it remembers me, and I don't have to put that in. So just again, click that little link that says LSC Online Users. Click here. Very simple. Okay, so here we are in Academic Search Complete, and this is the search bar that you can use to find scholarly material for your research. Let's type something in. Again, we'll just go with the vaccine topic. Oh, vaccines in controversy. That looks interesting. So we'll click that and see what we get. In the news, vaccines in the news again. Yes. This article was written in February of 2002, so it's a bit dated. I wanted to show you over here to the left. You can click this scholarly peer-reviewed journal box and it will narrow your search. So we now have 491 articles. And then again, you can come over here and slide the publication date. 1975 is too old, so let's scooch our date. Let's go to about 2015 to 2019. So now we are down to 116 articles, so not bad. I think that's definitely workable. I would hope so. Anyway, so you have all different kinds of articles you can look through. Don't just choose the first one. You definitely want to look for the good ones, okay? Principal controversies in vaccine safety. Oh, I guess this would talk about the different types of, why there are anti-vaxxers, I guess, in the United States. This abstract right here will give you a summary of the article. So in this week's assignment that I've given you, the research assignment worksheet, it's going to ask you to write a summary of the article that you've chosen. Do not copy and paste these abstracts into your assignment. You need to actually read the articles and write a summary in your own words. So do not, again, very important, it's plagiarism, do not copy and paste this into your assignment. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. But anyway, this is Academic Search Complete database. Very useful, one of the most popular ones. Then you can, they've changed opposing viewpoint to Gale, which is kind of weird. I don't know why they did that. But anyway, I guess Gale bought opposing viewpoint database. Anyway, here is that one. Again, LSC online users log in here. All right, let's put in vaccines. What have we found? Oh, look at all this. Well, that's about livestock, so I don't think we want that one. Health officials must stand up against anti-vaxxers. That sounds pretty good. Looks like a good one. Let's click on that and see what it talks about. Here's some commentary about the article. Kind of cool. But anyway, here is the article. And it will show you over here some other articles that you could also click on that might be useful as well. So this is a great database. I like opposing viewpoints. It definitely has its limitations, but it's a good one. I like it. Okay, let's go back to whoops, just start over. Not sure how to make my way back, which is typical. I get lost easily. I'm definitely directionally challenged person. Anyway, so here we're back at our databases, and here we've got some new databases that you could look through. I have not perused these databases yet, but they might be pretty good. Not sure what web news is. But anyway, that's basically how I wanted to show you to navigate the databases, how to get to the library system. Now let me show you what I'm talking about with the assignment. Whoops, I need to go back to teacher mode. I've been in student mode. Hang on. Okay, so when you so here's week 9. The research assignment worksheet is right here. And when you pull it up, you will see, sorry, computer's a bit slow today. And this isn't turning out to be a brief video either, is it? All right, this week's homework assignment, it's worth 35 points. And this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to also post a model of what this should look like, what this or a good, thoroughly completed worksheet what looks like. I will post that for you. Sorry, can't talk today. All right, right here, this is what I'm talking about. So part 2 is going to ask you, it asks you to write a summary of the article you have chosen. And so this is where you will write your summary of the article. This is what I'm talking about when I said do not copy and paste the abstracts. So again, this is an abstract right here. Again, summary, do not copy and paste that here, okay? It must all be in your own words. You need to read the articles. I know they're boring and they can be pretty lengthy, but you need to do the work, okay? This is just preparing you for even more major research work you're going to have to do as you move on up through your college career. Trust me. All right. So I think that's what I wanted to show you. Yeah, I think that's it. I do want to make one other disclaimer. If you are watching this video and you are in another Comp 1 class, you've got a different section than 4W15, this applies to you as well. I'm not going to make multiple videos every semester. The material is the same for you as well. So don't worry about that. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week.